Let's add some CSS styles to the page. Using the semantic tags, we have separated our page into sections. We already used some basic CSS to make responsive images. Just below the curly braces of the IMG CSS in the head tag, type H1 space curly braces. Inside the curly braces, type color, red, semicolon. Save the page and notice that the H1 in the page is red. Now type P curly braces. Make the P have a color of yellow and the background color of blue. Notice the pattern of CSS code? First, it's an HTML element, then curly braces, then an attribute, then a colon, then a value, and then a semicolon. The curly braces contain all the CSS for that particular element. Containers like nav can also have CSS. Type nav space curly braces. Then type color, light green, semicolon. It is only the height of the HTML it contains. We can make it taller by typing height, 100 pixels, semicolon. Now the nav has dimension and structure. Notice all the bullets on the unordered list? We can remove them with CSS. Type UL space curly braces. Then type list dash style, none, semicolon. Save the page and the bullets are gone. To make the list items line up horizontally, we will add CSS to the LI. Type LI space curly braces. Type display, inline dash block, semicolon. Now the list items line up like a navigation menu. We can add more styling to the menu. Let's add 5 pixels of padding and a red background color. Now it is hard to see the link text. Links have special CSS names. There are 3 different states that can be styled: the link, hovering the mouse over the link, and if the link has been visited. For now, we will style all 3 the same way, but in a real web page, these would be styled differently. Notice that all 3 link elements can use the same curly braces. Separate each with a comma. We will study CSS syntax more in depth in the basic CSS video series. The images are responsive, but if the browser window expands, the images get very big and do not flow into rows like an image gallery. In the next videos, we will put the CSS code in an external style sheet and then improve the image layout with Flexbox.